Welcome to this Microsoft Mini CPD all about Microsoft Forms. Microsoft Forms can be used to create quick surveys and polls. They can be used to create quizzes that then can be automatically marked, and those marked return to the teacher. You can also use them within a learning journey for pre-assessments and also post-assessments, which can then help inform planning and also assess progress. Here are some key tips to creating a Microsoft form. You can access forms either from the app launcher in the top left hand corner or by going to forms.office.com. Once on this page, you can create a new form or a new quiz. Here's an example of a Microsoft form. You start by adding questions. You do this by clicking Add New. You can create multiple choice questions. You type your question and then you give the offered answers. You can add more options. You can also allow the person completing the form to either give just one answer or multiple answers. You can also make any question on the form an optional one to answer, or you can make it required. Then click Add New. This time I'm going to create a text question. I type my question in and then there'll be a space for the person filling in the form to write their answer. I can either require a short answer or a long answer. The other two types of questions are ratings and date. With a rating, you can ask a question and then allow them to give a level from 2 all the way up to 10. It can be done with stars or it can be done with numbers. The date question just allows them to complete the date when the form was filled in or the date of something else that you want a response to. Once you've created your questions, you can preview them. This is how the form would look on a computer. You can also see how the form would look on a mobile device. You can change the theme by either having a colour or one of the chosen backgrounds, or you can upload your own picture. You then decide within your settings whether you want to only share it with people in your organisation or if anyone with the link can respond. Finally, you are then ready to share. Again, you can do this with people in the organisation or anyone with the link. Links can either be copied from here, produced as a QR code, or can be directly emailed out. Once you've got your responses in, you can view them here. Clearly, I have no responses yet. You can view results for each individual who's answered the form, or you can open the responses in Excel and see all the responses in one go. You can also create quizzes within Microsoft Forms. Here's an example. You add questions in the same way as you would with a form. So I can add a multiple choice question. I can increase the number of options, but what I can also do is tick which is the correct answer, and I can also display a message to respondents who select any of the particular answers. I can also add text questions, write in the question, giving space for the answer, and I can include the correct answer so that the quiz can mark it for me. The preview in a quiz works the same as it does in a form, showing it in both computer and mobile. The theme is again similar in that you have a range of themes which you can choose from as your background. Settings is also similar to forms. The only main difference is that the option for the quiz is that people answering it can see their results automatically. Again, when you come to share, you can share it with people in your organisation or anyone with the link. Again, you click on responses to review answers and scores. Again, this can be opened in Excel. This Microsoft Mini CPD has been created and shared by Tim Clark, Head Teacher at Cornerstone Church of England Primary School in Hampshire. If you'd like to find out more about how we are using Microsoft and Microsoft tools at Cornerstone, please contact myself or Henry Penfold, our digital leader.